Hey there, this is Kevin with Tern Bicycles, and congratulations on your new Tern bike. In this video, I'll be showing you all the basics of using a Tern e-bike. For more specific details and an in-depth look on each part of your bike platform, be sure to watch all the videos in this playlist and review the Quickstart guide that comes with your bike. So, without further ado, let's get started. Your Tern bike is a pedal assist electric bicycle, also known as a pedelec. This means the motor system only provides power while you pedal. Do keep in mind that the motor will stop providing assistance once you've reached the maximum speed allowed by your local regulations. The remote and display is where you will see and control the various functions of your bike. Start by turning the system on. We recommend keeping off the pedals when turning the system on so you don't have any unexpected acceleration. You may see a notification on your display to avoid distracted riding. You can dismiss this by pressing the selection button after reading it. The plus and minus buttons allow you to change between the 5 different assist levels. Some Smart System bikes also have the auto assist level, which allows the motor to automatically change assist levels during your ride. When you push harder on the pedals, the motor will detect that and give you more power. Whether you're climbing up hills or faced with sudden headwinds, you won't have to worry about changing modes manually, which allows you to just focus on enjoying the ride. The left and right buttons allow you to navigate through the different pages on the display. Each page shows useful information for your ride, so take your time when going through them. Tern e-bikes come equipped with front and rear lights. How you turn your lights on and off will depend on which bike model you have. In general, look for the button or switch with the light icon. It'll usually be on the remote or display, on the light itself, or have a dedicated button on the handlebar. And if there's a second light button, that'll be to turn the high beam on and off. Powering your bike is a Bosch Power Pack battery. To install the battery, slide it into the battery mount and push down. You should hear a click confirming that the battery is locked in place. You can charge the battery on the bike by locating the charging port. Lift the rubber tab and plug the charger into the bike before plugging it into an electric outlet. You should always charge your battery on a fireproof surface and away from any sources of heat such as a stove or radiator. Make sure no moisture is around the port area for maximum safety. You can also directly plug the charger into the battery to charge it off the bike. Use the provided key to remove the battery. The indicator lights display your battery's charge level. When the battery's off the bike, you can still check the charge level by pressing the power button. If for some reason you lose your keys, you can always apply for a new set by using the serial number written on the keys through the key manufacturer's website. So it is very important to have this number saved somewhere. To be on the safe side, we recommend saving this number on your phone or emailing it to yourself. You can also save your serial number on your Tern account once you've registered for Tern Care. Tern e-bikes come with a walk assist function that gives you some assistance when pushing the bike. This is useful when pushing your bike up hills or when walking with heavy cargo. To activate walk assist, press and hold the minus button. The display will indicate when to start walking. You should feel the motor pushing the bike along as you walk. Smart System bikes also have a hill hold function that prevents the bike from rolling backwards while the walk assist is active to prevent you and the bike from rolling downhill. Just make sure not to release the walk assist button. And once you're done with walk assist, you can remove your finger from the button and wait 10 seconds or press the plus button to turn off walk assist. You can pair your phone to your bike through the eBike Flow app, which gives you access to features like the eBike lock, motor customization, and more. We'll go into further detail on using the app in a later video. Getting that perfect bike fit can make all the difference when it comes to cycling comfort, so it is crucial to get this right. The best place to start is by adjusting the saddle height. To adjust the saddle height, open the quick release levers on the seat post. Make sure not to go beyond the minimum insertion indicator when adjusting. Once you've got the height you want, tightly secure the levers. If you're finding that the seat moves around after securing the quick release lever, it could be because the clamp isn't tight enough. You can tighten the clamps by adjusting the clamp screw nut. Depending on your bike model, you may be able to adjust the position of the handlebars. Simply release the levers, adjust to a comfortable height, then secure the levers. Your Tern bike comes with shifters that allows you to adjust your pedaling resistance. Depending on which bike model you have, it'll either come with a trigger shifter or a twist shifter. In general, we recommend that you change gears as you would a non-electric bike. Downshift to a lower gear when coming to a stop or riding up a steep hill, and upshift to a higher gear when accelerating or riding downhill. This will help you maintain an efficient cadence and prevent premature wear on the drivetrain. If your bike model has an I in the name, that means that you have an internal gear hub. The great thing about this is that you can shift gears while at a standstill. Do keep in mind that internal gear hubs, such as the roll-off and the embiolo, to name a few, are not meant to be shifted while pedaling, so be sure to ease off the pedals when shifting. Your Tern bike also comes with a set of hydraulic disc brakes on the front and rear for excellent stopping power. When looking at the handlebar from the rider's position, the rear brake lever is on the right and the front brake lever is on the left. In a few countries, this orientation may be reversed, so we recommend double checking before your first ride if you're not sure. Your brake pads are consumable parts and will need replacing down the line. Different factors like how often you ride your bike and how much load you carry will affect their lifespan, so be sure to keep an eye on them. Many Tern e-bikes can be parked and rolled vertically, which can come in handy when you need to maneuver or park your bike in smaller spaces. There are contact points on the rear that will safely keep your bike standing vertically on flat surfaces. Check out our full video on how to vertically park and roll your bike to learn more. If your bike has a Physis handle post, you can greatly reduce the profile of your bike by folding the handle post down. This can be extremely useful for getting your bike into a car or for keeping your bike in a smaller space. To do this, open the andro stem levers and adjust the handlebar so the brake levers are pointing upwards. Close the andro stem and rotate the front wheel 180 degrees counterclockwise. Then release the lever on the handle post to fold the stem down before securing it with the rubber strap. Finally, lower the saddle. For our folding e-bikes, be sure to watch the full how-to video in the playlist. Some Tern bikes also come with a frame lock either on the front or rear wheel. This can come in handy when you're doing a quick stop somewhere. The key for the lock is the same as the one for the battery. To use the lock, turn the key and slide the knob down until you hear a click. Once you hear that click, you can pull the key out. If the lock isn't properly engaged, you shouldn't be able to pull out the key. Your Tern bike is at its best when paired with our huge range of accessories. Whether you're running errands or taking the kiddos out on an adventure, we've got accessories that suit almost every scenario. Just remember that each bike has a max gross vehicle weight. This means that the weight of the bicycle, accessories, riders, cargo, and trailer must be less than the max gross vehicle weight for safe riding. To find out what your bike's max gross vehicle weight is, you can refer to your bike's Quickstart guide. And there you have it, all the basics you need to get going on your Tern e-bike. Remember that if you aren't sure about something, you can always refer to your bike's Quickstart guide or give your Tern dealer a visit. Be sure to continue along the playlist to learn more specifics about your remote and display unit, your shifter, and any other model-specific content. We hope you have a blast on your e-bike, and thanks again for choosing Tern.